if you had set a specific default formatter using one of the extensions that you installed and you wish to remove this, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can change or remove your default formatter for none. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so setting a default formatter sometimes can limit on how you can interact with VS Code. To remove this, click on manage here or settings icon and then go to settings. From here, scroll down and you should see under editor default formatter, I have this extension set for my default formatter. To remove this, now click on it and choose none or null. Once you have selected, click on backup and sync settings to save your current changes. If you go ahead and close your VS Code and open it now, and then go to settings and click on settings. Now, if I scroll down to default formatter, you can see it is currently set to none, which means I have full control on the format I can use in my editor. So that's how you can remove current default formatter in VS Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.